To help you input and update data in your Gridfox project, you can import and export data from your tables. This video will cover how to import and export data in Gridfox and the cases in which this may be useful. In the first instance, it may be useful to use the import functionality to import a set of data into your Gridfox projects once you have created some tables rather than creating each record manually. This may save you time if you're moving from an existing spreadsheet-based system to Gridfox. So let's say in this to-do list app, I've got the companies table, and let's say there's already a spreadsheet of companies that I want to use and import into the system. What you should do first is always export the existing list of companies. This will ensure that the resulting import is in the correct format with the right fields that are needed. Once we open up the spreadsheet, we can see here the companies that were added to the Gridfox project directly. What we can now do is add new rows in here with all the existing company information that we already have. To save time, what I've got here is a list of companies that I would like to import, but what I've done is remove the company name from one of the rows. This is to show how the validation works when you import a spreadsheet. So if I hop back to the to-do list app, I can now import the spreadsheet of companies that I just showed. Click the import button, select the spreadsheet, and this will look at the data in the spreadsheet and match it to the table in Gridfox. We can see here the company name is mandatory, so it won't let me import the data because I'm missing that field. What I can do is amend the spreadsheet, fix the data, and then try re-import to get the companies into my project. I'm going to cancel out of this import and pick the spreadsheet, which does have the company name on all of the rows. And then we can see here, this is showing no errors and it's ready to import. I can click import and I've now got my company list as per the spreadsheet that I uploaded. That's one use for the import and export functionality, where you can enter larger amounts of information through a spreadsheet rather than having to create each record individually. Where it also might be useful is where you've added some information or a field to a table in Gridfox and need to populate it with data. So in this instance, I may want to add a type field to my companies table. I'm going to open up edit mode, drag a list field on, and call it type. I'm going to add two options for now of customer and partner, and I can save my changes to the model. So if we're looking at our existing list of companies, we can see that none of them have the type set. So what I'd like to do, rather than clicking into each one and setting it, is just do that in a spreadsheet. So as before, I'm going to export the spreadsheet. We can see here when I open up the spreadsheet, I've now got this new type column that wasn't there on the original export. I can go ahead and fill in all this information. And once I'm happy with the spreadsheet, I can save off a copy and then re-upload it. So again, going back to the to-do list project, I can import a new file, and this is ready to be uploaded. We can see the type column has been populated as per my spreadsheet. I can click import and that has updated all the records. So it's a nice quick way of updating lots of records at once. And that's it. So you've seen how to export and import data for tables, to create new records, and to update existing records.